love being in residential construction. I get to make spaces, beautiful spaces for people to live in, and I really like just getting that kind of fulfillment from it when people are super happy with a new space that I've provided for them. There's lots of different math involved in trades work. In carpentry specifically, with what I do, mostly geometry. So angles, different shapes. It's a lot of fractions, a lot of just simple calculations with fractions. Lots of calculations that happen when we figure out how much material we need to go into a certain space, how much it's going to cost the client. Yeah, I'm constantly using my calculator, that's for sure. I did math up to grade 12, and I didn't do anything further than that. And to be honest, I didn't think that I would need it. I got into doing a BA in philosophy after high school, and I really had no idea I would end up in trades. So when I finished my BA, I decided I wanted something more tangible, something more concrete that I could do. And when I got into carpentry, it turns out I did need my grade 12 to get into the program that I wanted to do at college. Really, for me, it was my parents that encouraged me to stay in math. They were both mathematicians by trade. So they saw a need for it, and they wanted me to keep all the possibilities there in case I wanted to change paths down the line, and it turns out I did. So it's a really good thing that I stuck with it, for sure. Transitioning from high school to, for me, it was university at first. It was a pretty easy step for me. I was ready to get out and be independent and see the world and do all sorts of different things. Transitioning from university to college was a bit more difficult, I'd say, just because I was used to the whole academia world and I had to get into the practical side of trades. But once I got into it, I really knew that that's where I wanted to be. If you're struggling with math right now and you think you want to drop it, I say stick with it, because you never know what's going to come a few years down the line in life, and you want to have all the opportunities available to you that might come your way.